Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Did y'all miss me?
1, 2, 3, funk it.
But people, y'all had to see, I was dying one time. When it was? What day is Friday now? I think on Wednesday. People, I was dying Wednesday. I had sore throat. Y'all wouldn't understand. Let me tell you the story. Time for a short little story time. So listen, Wednesday night, Thursday morning. I could say this Wednesday or Thursday. All now in the night. Now wake up around 12 in the morning. Cause I was feeling something wrong with my throat. And I'm like, what wrong with my throat? Cause like this never happened to me. Like why my throat feeling this type of way? Like, are you good? And so I start feeling my throat feeling bad. And I'm like, and then I went try swallowing. And when I swallow, is when I feel this thing hot in my throat. And I'm like, what is this foolishness? What is going on? So I had to get up and then I'm like, trying to swallow. And then I just was like, nah man, something wrong with my throat. Something really wrong with my throat. Like, just no joke. So I end up going on. No. I get my phone, turn on my flashlight, and I shine behind my throat. I needed to see what wrong with my throat. When I come to look, I see one side of my mouth inside was swell up, but way to the back was swell up. I think it's a tonsil. So I went on Google and find out what causes sore throat. How do you get sore throat? How do I get rid of this thing? And so I was saying it had to be tonsil. And I was like, my tonsil, like never in my life did I had problem with my tonsils. Like why no? After all the years am I having problem with my tonsils? To make the story short, I just was dying, but then the next day, Thursday, no wait, I couldn't sleep. After that I couldn't sleep. I went and gargled some water with salt, and then the next day I went gargling some charcoal. If y'all know what charcoal is, yeah, charcoal with water, and then gargle some baking soda with warm water. And then boom, the next day my throat was good. And I was thinking to record myself waking up that time with this problem in my mouth, but then I was like, bro, no. Cause then after the little belting, the little belting like be hanging down your mouth, that thing got so big, that thing was so long, and that was reaching the back of my throat. And I was like, this is not normal. Like since when your little belting like start being long and reaching your throat hole? That's not good at all. So yeah, then I wasn't able to talk good because of that foolishness. But like I said, the next day was better. That's the best part about it. So yeah, that was it for this short little mini story of how your girl almost died. I was dying. It wasn't pretty at all. Now let me try taking into the whole meaning of this video for today without me wasting any time. Alrighty then, as y'all can read by the title, I don't know what the title gonna be named right now, but I'm gonna come up with one title name somehow. All I know is that I was scrolling through Pinterest and then I just see the little video of these little people them doing cake but in a cup, making actual cake in a cup, and you're not putting it in the stove now, you're putting it in the microwave. I know y'all miss me, bro. I'm playing around too much to do more. Then y'all see my hair? Y'all see my hair? Oh my gosh. What are you? Y'all see my hair coming on here on this video looking ratchet. So, ain't no video to show y'all exactly. Oh, I don't know now. But like I say, I see this on Pinterest. These things are on Pinterest. I could find a video on the people from TikTok. But that's going to take so long to find a video. The first little cupcake I'll be doing, it's a red velvet. Oh, they mean mug cake. Ah, I thought I named cupcake because they're in a cup. But it's actually mug cake. So I'm making mug cake. cake. Okay. Red velvet. Ingredientes. Wait, what? Hold up. Play that. Okay. 1/3 cup of all-purpose flour. 1/2. No money. You're going too fast. Cocoa powder. Okay. So I do not have cocoa powder, but I think I have some. A little bit still left. This will do. I think so, cause I ain't got no cocoa powder. But that will ought to do, cause I ain't got no cocoa powder. So we gonna use Nesquik chocolate powder. Who lost that water pot? How to do is get 1/3 of flour. Oh gosh, I make mess. And after the flour, we gotta put 1/2 teaspoon cocoa powder. Now I hate this thing with teaspoon and all that foolishness, but I can't measure them thing good. I don't know how much to use, bro. But this is not a teaspoon. I can't find a teaspoon, so I'm gonna put this. Take that good. Next one is 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. So I done got my 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. I think this is enough, and I don't know. Now it's a 3 tablespoons of sugar. Put 3, man. You put 3 with it. Get the number that now. 3. 1, 2. I don't want it too sweet, but 3. Next, what we gonna do? Keep down stove yet. 1/2 cup of milk. Now looking straight up vomit. Next, we put 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Okay, now why do they need all that oil for it? This little cup is so small and they want all that oil. Why? But anyways, we're gonna put it. I don't know if I put too much oil, but I look oily. But next, 1/2 tablespoon of vanilla extract. And I'ma just guess. Not put too much, but I'ma just guess how much to put. I think that's good. I think that's too much. Anyways, get the name about that. Next, we have to put food coloring. Isn't that pretty? Smell like flour. But now, after the food coloring, let's see what we do next. Okay, you add it. You mix it. Okay, and we microwave for 90 seconds. Okay, 90 seconds. 90 seconds.
Stupid.
I don't, oh my gosh, oh my goodness, I don't think that's supposed to do that. I really don't think that's supposed to do that. Y'all seeing what I'm seeing? Y'all seeing what I'm seeing? I really don't think that's supposed to do that, but I'll 5 more seconds for, let's hurry up please. At least I'm not running over. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. What is this that I'm seeing in here? What is this? What is this? Y'all see my cake? What is this foolishness? It's sponger. I just hope it cooks inside. It doesn't smell like cake, girl. Okie dokie, it's time to taste this fun looking sponge. You hear that? Let's see how it looks inside. Get ready to see people. Ooh. Okay. 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 I think it's the front one a bit more on the bottom though. But okay.
Oh my god, what is that?
I don't think this cooked good for some reason. Taste. Time to taste. Tastes like something like a baby will eat. That's what that tastes like. I don't know, y'all might like it, but for me, I don't see it. I just don't see it. It just doesn't taste like cake. A baby would definitely enjoy this. Not me. I need more milk. Soft like cake, spongy like cake. It just doesn't taste like cake. And it looks like cake, but it just doesn't taste like cake. What's in inside? What if I could scoop this out of this cup? Look at that. It smells decent. I need it. So yeah, that was it for this video. I made a mug cake. I was gonna make a next one, but after me tasting this one, seeing how it tastes, like I thought I was gonna make it and actually like it and sit down and eat it, but I don't like it. Now if y'all ever want cake, y'all just go and, you know, bake a cake in the microwave. So I just hope y'all enjoy this video, little peeps.